Hey, this is Vikas and this is my video response to the 8th chapter of The Telltale Brain, The Artful Brain Universal Laws. I thought the chapter was, like the last one, really interesting because it focused on these principles from an evolutionary perspective rather than a neurological perspective, which I don't find as interesting. I really liked his talking about autistic savants like Nadia, where they would be able to create sketches that surpassed Leonardo Da Vinci sketch of a horse. But as they grew, their ability would decrease, and I also like the implication. Well, not implication because he pretty much stated that right. That formal education might actually hamper creativity. But that was pretty funny. And one of the really cool things was he was talking about the machine, which could blast people's brains with magnetic activity, and all of a sudden these people would be able to just create beautiful sketches or be able to generate prime numbers depending on where the machine was aimed. That just sounds really awesome. And another thing I liked was when he was talking about why artists make art. I think he called it "come and see my etchings" theory was pretty funny, and it reminded me of a study I heard about earlier where someone looked at all these great scientists and saw that they didn't get that very few of them were married at the time of their discovery, and they suggested that a part of their drive for science was, I guess, to find a mate by using that as kind of a way to attract mates. I mean, of course, you could also just say that it's harder to make a discovery if you have less time because you have a wife and kids, but nevertheless, I thought that was kind of cool. And yeah.